Hey folks, Moose here. So this one we're going to be scrapping something a little bit different. It is a Medtronic CareLink monitor. I believe it's a heart monitor of some kind. Yeah, so this is a present from Scrapper John. So we're going to take it apart and see what's inside. Okay, so first things first, we're going to cut the cable. Fiber in there. They probably do that to make sure that it doesn't get tugged loose or something like that. That makes sense. Alright, so get some wire. And with this little doohickey that's supposed to hold over your heart. So we've got, looks like, 3 little screws in there. Let's see if I have something to fix that. Alright, so what's in this part? Nothing but a copper coil. Blast is pointy. Alright. And we're moving. Alright, so those are a little bit bigger. So it might be easier, hopefully, for me to find something that fits it. Nope. Here we go. Alright, so this part, plastic. Alright, and this board looks okay. Battery terminal's not gold plated, so leave that there. Alright, so this board has a lot of ICs. It has a nice crystal oscillator there with the gold flashing on the outside. And some little tantalums. These little LEDs are going to have gold in them. Gold plating on the jacks in there. And that's about it. So, not much in there, but yeah, nice little mid-grade board. Alright, so that's that for the heart monitor. So thanks again to Scrapper John for sending that out. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you get notifications whenever I put out new material. Make sure you check out the video description so you can see how to enter into my 100,000 subscriber giveaway. And see you on the next one.